here we go. Alright guys, let's try this real quick. I got all the stuff. We're gonna try to hand launch a couple of planes. Let's see. Let's see which one works out best. So this one is not going to work out too well, but we're going to try it anyway just to see what happens. It's a little bit ridiculous of a design, but the main part is the same as the bigger one. So obviously the wings are too short on this one, so that's why it's not going to work out too well, but we can try it. And then we'll put this as a weight in front of it.
Likey.